accept it, accept again, boom. Our meme coin has been created. It's that easy. Check it, guys. Our coin has got dozens of transactions already. That's how I make $20,000 to $30,000 per meme coin launch per day. So listen, getting rich launching meme coins in 2026, honestly, it's gotten so ridiculously easy that being a crypto millionaire these days, it's not even that crazy anymore. I have personally made over $3 million over doing this. I can even refresh it. So you can see I'm legit and I'm not trying to flex or anything. I just wanted you to know that I actually have results from this. So today I'm going to lay out my entire process, literally step by step. We're talking about everything. How I pick the best platform to launch, how I get ideas that can go viral, how I create my coins, how I set up my liquidity pools, how I get people to actually buy my coins, and of course the main event, how I profit from all of this. So stick to the end of this video to get the essence of my strategy. So yeah, let's do it. Now before we even get started, I gotta explain to you why 99% of people completely fail at this. They pick the worst platforms to launch, where they compete with thousands of other people or where they haven't got much options to promote or make their coin trending on Dex Terminals like Dex Screener, Axiom, etc. The platform I use is cyberlaunch.app. Here, you can launch, nuke, and earn from the meme coin with any trending idea. It's the most affordable platform for meme coin launching in just 0.1 Sol. It's Certic verified. A lot of people who are making money through meme coins use it. Other people head to pump.fun, where pump.fun itself get richer by cutting tax on transactions, low customization, and no volume tool. Here, at this platform, there is lowest launch fee and full customization option. So less talk. First, we need to connect the wallet. Click on Connect Terminal. You can use Phantom, Trust. I am using Solfair. Accept the request to connect. Connected. After connecting the wallet, upload the logo for the meme coin, then the name as I am doing, Calvin, and same for symbol. For description, the boy Calvin. You can write anything for socials if you have got your website, then paste here. Otherwise, this platform offers a free website with every meme coin creation. That's the perk. Now clicking next. For this part, let the supply be 1 billion. It's recommended also freeze authority and mint authority. Keep them selected because it will keep the buyers' trust in our coin. Now the fun part, CyberLaunch gives us the option to promote our coin on Dex Terminals as it launches so that we can have buyers' attention from the very beginning, So selecting it. These advanced features are also good, but skipping it for now. So let mint our token. Click it. Okay, it's doing its work. Yeah, that's good. Accept it. Accept again. Boom. Our meme coin has been created. It's that easy. And this is the free website. Let's check it. Wow, it has got everything. Also, our coin has been promoted on these DEX terminals. We will copy our website link and share on social media platforms while launching it. It also shows good metrics for our meme coin. Look at that, guys. So yeah, coming back to cyberlaunch.app, next step is to launch our meme coin so it becomes tradable. We started with 1 Sol and we have got 0.7 after meme coin creation. Look at our boy Calvin happy. Now initializing pool. Remember, keep the fee tier 0.25%. I will tell its benefits later. Keep the token supply 100%. And for starting Sol, you can literally begin with 0.01 or 0.001 Sol. These advanced settings are fun too, but won't be using it now. So yeah, click deploy pool. It has started. Yeah, that's correct. Accept it. Boom. Our coin is live on Dex Terminals and the trading has started on it. Refresh the Cyber Terminal and yeah, we can manage our liquidity also here, like add more or smiling rug pull. Now, the main essence of my earning journey, the volume bot. After meme coin creation and launch, we have got 0.51 Sol. We will be going with this package for this video. Our coin has already been loaded here. This soft shell package gives 500 transactions on our coin. That keeps it in trending on Dex Terminals for 2 to 3 hours. And if we go with hard pump, this gives our coin $50,000 plus of volume and keeps it trending for 8 to 9 hours. Let's begin with soft shell. Click initiate signal, accepting the request. Believe me, This 0.5 SOL is worth it. Confident. Okay. Payment confirmed. Wow. Volume bot is live, guys. It has started working and the volume has started kicking in. This will literally make our coin center of attraction for all buyers. This is our portfolio section. From here, we can check our website and the coins we have got and manage them. So yeah, we are at Photon. Check it, guys. Our coin has got dozens of transactions already. Check the liquidity and market cap. Volume bot is going insane and bringing more buyers to our meme coin. So let's fast forward it now and wait for it to grow more. Now the last part where we will make money from our coin, coming back to cyberlaunch.app, go to launch section, click on manage, click on remove liquidity, set the slider to 100% and click remove liquidity. Yes, confident. This coin has made us 198 SOL. Let's approve it to have it in our wallet. It's done. Moment of truth, checking my wallet, unbelievable. That's how I make $20,000 to $30,000 per meme coin launch per day. Look at that, refreshing it for you guys. So yeah, this platform cyberlaunch.app is crazy. You don't need to go to pump.fun or Radium and wait for your coin to work on luck only, because launching there is just a gamble. Here it is a sure shot. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments.